Hey, hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna see how to install Visual Studio Code and how it will be useful for your development. Yeah, so to start off with, type just Visual Studio in Google. You'll see this code.visualstudio.com. It's basically the first thing that pops up. So open that, and now you'll see download for Windows here. So just if you want to download for a Mac or Linux systems, you can go into this download and you'll see basically the link for downloading it. So since I'm using Windows, I'm just gonna download this. So you'll see a pop-up like this. So store it wherever you want. I'm just storing it in the desktop and it will get downloaded. I'm just going to take you through the entire process of setting up the Visual Studio Code. I basically have Visual Studio Code in my system, so I'll just take you through the process. So it tells me to cancel it. I'll just close this and open this again. Okay, I accept. So you have to accept everything. Make sure to read everything. I'm just kidding. If you want to create a desktop icon, make sure to give this add to path so that it doesn't require shell restart. Next, and just install it. Since I have installed it, I'm not going to, but if you click install, it's going to install Visual Studio Code for you. So basically, after installing it, you just have to open it, and it'll, the basic thing you have to do is just create your folder and make sure to open your folder here where you want to develop. And I'm going to just go ahead and open my folder. Cool. YouTube, videos, or group programming, select folder. Okay. So guys, you can create a file here, whatever you want, text.html, that creates an HTML page, and so on. So you're good to go after this. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.